In this instructional video, I will show you how to make a Cat5E network cable. First, you will need your Cat5E network bulk cable, cutters, pliers, and a crimping tool, cable tester, and Cat5E cable connectors. Start off by cutting the jacket off of the wire. Once you have cut off the jacket, you have to separate the individual wires by color codes. Orange goes on the right hand side, blue and green in the middle, and brown on the left hand side. Straighten up, you have to cut off additional excess. Cut off about an inch. Those of you that don't exactly understand how the color goes, in my video I start with brown on pin 1. When you do that, you have to make sure the pin, the release pin on the connector is facing up. In any other instructional video, what they do, they flip the connector over upside down with the pin facing down. When you do that, you have to flip the wire over also, which means you will start with white wire and orange stripe on pin 1. Both of the ends done. Both of the ends are done exactly the same way. The color codes have to be same on both ends. Now you have to make sure the cable is working properly. Insert the connectors into the tester and turn on the tester. Each one of the lights on the tester should go off at least once with green color. Now you know how to make a Cat5E network cable. For any additional information, you can visit us at cablesforthesure.blog.com. Thanks for watching.